Demystifying Division. Unveiling the strategy of partial quotients. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into the exciting world of division strategies, and we will be focusing on one powerful approach known as the Partial Quotients Method. By the end of this video, you'll be able to solve division problems like a pro using this unique strategy. So, let's get started. Partial quotients is an approach to division that breaks down the problem into more manageable pieces. Instead of trying to find the complete quotient in a single step, we use an iterative process to arrive at the final answer. This is particularly useful for long division problems and makes the process much more manageable. The process of partial quotients is pretty straightforward. First, we make an educated guess about how many times the divisor fits into the dividend. Then, we multiply the divisor by that number and subtract the result from the dividend. We repeat this process until we can't subtract anymore. Finally, we add all our guesses to find the total quotient. Let's walk through an example together. Let's say we want to divide 775 by 15 using the partial quotients method. 1. Step 1. Make a guess about how many times 15 goes into 775. Let's say 50, so we multiply 15 by 50, which gives us 750. 2. Step 2. Subtract the result from our dividend. So, 775 minus 750 equals 25. 3. Step 3. Repeat this process with the remainder. In this case, 15 goes into 25 one time. So, we multiply 15 by 1, which equals 15, and subtract that from 25, leaving us with 10. 4. Step 4. Add together all our guesses. In this case, 50 plus 1 equals 51. So, 775 divided by 15 is approximately 51 using the partial quotients method. Remember, the actual quotient might be a little bit more or less than our guess, but this method gets us pretty close. The partial quotients method can seem a bit roundabout, but it's a fantastic tool for breaking down large division problems into manageable chunks. This method can make the process less intimidating and more understandable, especially for beginners in mathematics. Remember, the key is to make educated guesses and then adjust as necessary. And there you have it, the partial quotients method of division. It's a powerful tool in your mathematical toolbox. We hope that this video has been helpful and that you now feel more confident in tackling division problems. Remember, practice is the key to mastering any new skill. So, keep practicing, and soon you'll be solving division problems with ease using the partial quotients method. Until next time, happy learning!